How to pre-compose in After Effects. Let's get into it. Start by selecting your first layer in your composition, then shift select your last layer in your composition. Right click these layers and then choose Precompose. This window will appear. You can give the composition a name. Check Move All Attributes into the new composition. You can change the duration of the composition to reflect the duration of your clips. Say for example, if your clips are shorter than what your actual composition is, it will trim them to the length of the clips. And then you can enable the box which is Open New Composition if you want to. With that configured, choose OK. This is going to create what's called a pre-comp, which is similar to what is a nest in Premiere Pro. Now if you want to tweak any of these things within here, you just have to double click into it and it's going to open it up as its own composition within After Effects. Any changes that you make into here will be reflected in the original. And that's all there is to it.